friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen shrimp tempura in the air fryer. So you just need a package of frozen shrimp tempura. No need to defrost. Air fryer will be cooking it straight from frozen. So let's open the shrimp tempura. And let's take out the air fryer basket. And now let's put shrimp tempura in the air fryer basket in a single layer. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the tempura. Look at that, perfectly cooked, crispy shrimp tempura. It looks amazing. So nicely brown and crispy. Let me take this out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how crunchy it is. Such good crispy breading. And let me just cut it just to show you that it's cooked inside. See, inside is perfectly cooked. Now I'm so excited about trying it. I'm going to use a dipping sauce that came with this package of frozen shrimp tempura. This is an orange dipping sauce. It was just in a plastic packet, and I ran hot water over a plastic packet to defrost it and just put it in a little dish. So let's try the tempura. It tastes amazing. So crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. This is perfect. This is like a restaurant shrimp tempura. You're going to love cooking it in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!